Hi, had a little break yesterday, so we're back into our double period, and we'll just continue off with exercise 5A. In actual fact, exercise 5A is extremely important because I might as well give you a heads up on a planned topic test for chapter 5, which is on sketching and determining features of a quadratic. But as you'll see in this exercise, we're doing a lot of the revision of the topic on algebra just before the finish of term one, which we never got to test. So I'm giving you a heads up. In week 10, we'll be doing, during the double period, both the tech able and tech free tests. And in some ways, I'll be able to find out how much you've been able to accomplish in the two topics from term one and this one. So today, of course, we're going to go into lesson two, continue on with null factor, and basically I will have a video here for you to watch, and I'll go through the PowerPoint presentation. So you'll click on that, you'll be able to use it to make some notes from it, but I'll be using it during this presentation. You've also got, if you want, Khan Academy to give you a couple of examples of what I'm showing, as well as good old completing the squares. Remember, we did that in algebra, and some of you did struggle with that. And just to finish off, in introduction to what we've been doing in this exercise and the next topic, have enjoyed this little video clip called the the quad song. Um, so yeah, have a go at that. So spend the double period going through all of lesson um, X, chapter 5A. And also in the PowerPoint, I've got specific questions you do during certain sections. I'll ask you to pause, do the exercise, come back. So try and use this video that I'll be preparing uh, for the most effective learning process that I could possibly think of while we're still in remote learning. So we'll be able to get back to school with some revision time and just a couple last exercises. So have a good one. And don't forget, if you have any problems, just email me. Cheers.